代词
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
每
Each. Every.
Each. Every.
每天
Every day.
Every day.
你每天几点起床？你每天几点起床？
What time do you get up every day?
What time do you get up every day?
我每天6点半起床。我每天6点半起床。
I get up at 6:30 every day.
I get up at 6:30 every day.
你每天几点吃早饭？你每天几点吃早饭？
What time do you have breakfast every day?
What time do you have breakfast every day?
我每天7点半吃早饭。我每天7点半吃早饭。
I have breakfast at 7:30 every day.
I have breakfast at 7:30 every day.
你每天晚上几点睡觉？你每天晚上几点睡觉？
What time do you go to bed every night?
What time do you go to bed every night?
我每天晚上11点就睡觉了。我每天晚上11点就睡觉了。
I go to bed at 11 o'clock every night.
I go to bed at 11 o'clock every night.
你每天怎么去上班？你每天怎么去上班？
How do you go to work every day?
How do you go to work every day?
我每天坐公共汽车去上班。我每天坐公共汽车去上班。
I go to work by bus every day.
I go to work by bus every day.
你们每天都很忙吗？你们每天都很忙吗？
Are you busy every day?
Are you busy every day?
是的。我们每天都有新的作业。是的。我们每天都有新的作业。
Yes. We have new assignments every day.
Yes. We have new assignments every day.
每年
Every year.
Every year.
他每年去哪儿旅游？他每年去哪儿旅游？
Where does he travel every year?
Where does he travel every year?
他每年都去上海旅游。他每年都去上海旅游。
He travels to Shanghai every year.
He travels to Shanghai every year.
每个
Each.
Each.
你每个星期六做什么？你每个星期六做什么？
What do you do every Saturday?
What do you do every Saturday?
我每个星期六都去看电影。我每个星期六都去看电影。
I go to the movies every Saturday.
I go to the movies every Saturday.
谢谢观看。